Alrighty, we are here at 431 Loxley Court in Titusville, and I'm going to do a pretty detailed walkthrough, so this one's going to take a little bit of time. So trying to get you the roof line and how the roof looks there. Down to the garage. Front door area. More of the roof line for you. Quick spin here so you can see the front yard. Nice long driveway. Do still have some hurricane shutters up here just to be on the safe side. And we've got another storm that may be coming. Go to the backyard. I think you've seen the drone shots. I think there's somewhere out there. There's like a little creek. Back of the house. Get you up to see the roof to the best of my ability. And we do have the pad out here in the back and AC unit. Tag is kind of off of there because it is an older unit, so there's a little bit of pressure wash in here. So soffit needs some pressure washing, but it looks like it's intact. And back around to the front. Garage door. Trying to get us at a good angle. Front door. Close the door. More soffit shots. All looks good.